Hey there guys, this is Jonathan from Star EV Tech Support, and today we wanted to show you how to download and use the Star EV Lithium app on your smartphone. There are some very handy uses for this app, so we thought it'd be beneficial for us to show you where to find it and how to use it. Here are some things that you can do with the app. First, you can find battery details. Then you can read the battery's state of charge. After that, you can check if there are any new BMS updates that are available. You can even read the battery temperature. You can also connect your battery to Wi-Fi. You can read any faults or warnings that may be stored in the battery's memory, and you can even run self-diagnostics on the battery. So the Star Lithium app is available for iPhone or Android by searching in their respective app stores by searching Star Lithium, or by using the QR codes that are located on the top of the battery. Each QR code is labeled with your particular platform, whether it's iPhone or for Android. By using the QR code, it will take you directly to the App Store. You'll be able to download the app to your device right from there. From your App Store, you will download the app to your device and you will enable all permissions that are needed. We're going to show you now how to do it from iPhone and from Android. For use with iPhone, you simply need to point your camera at the iOS QR code on top of the battery. Open your camera, point it at the QR code, and click the link that appears below. You will use the download button to begin the download of the app. Once it has downloaded, you will be able to use the open button, at which point a notification will ask if you'd like to enable Bluetooth. Click yes, and you'll be able to use the search for battery button in the middle of the screen to connect to your battery. Our battery's Bluetooth ID number ends in 0324, so we will click it here to begin the communication between our phone and the battery. For use with Android, you're also going to point your phone's camera at the Android QR code. It will bring up a link below. You'll click that link and hit download. Click download again. This will begin a download when you click the button that says downloading. It will ask you if you want to install the app. By clicking that, it will begin the install. You'll click open on this screen. And here, as we mentioned before, we will pick while using the app for your location. Click allow, and it will bring you to the screen where it says search for battery. Once the app has been downloaded, you're going to open the app by clicking on its icon on your home page. This is going to open the main screen for the app. To begin, your battery's power switch needs to be on, and you will turn your vehicle's key to on. On the app's main page, there is only one button labeled Search for Battery. You'll click this button, then it will allow the app to search for your battery. This may take a few seconds for it to come up. Here you can see our battery ends in 0324. We'll click to connect our phone to the battery. In the app, you're going to select the battery number that matches the number on the battery's top cover. This is known as the Bluetooth ID number. So on the opening screen, you'll see the battery's state of charge, the amps that are being used, and even the temperature of the battery, along with the battery's capacity. The battery's state of charge is important to know when returning from an extended trip, and you want to verify that your charger has the battery charged fully and ready to go. The battery's temperature is handy to know when checking to see if the battery is safe to charge in excessively low or high temperatures. Both of these factors are mentioned in our videos that talk about long-term storage. At the bottom of this screen, you will see a button labeled View Battery Details. Click this button to access basic information about your battery, and at the bottom of this screen, there is a button labeled Run Diagnostics. By clicking this button, you will launch a self-check feature which will return whether your battery has passed a general health check. Below this report, you will see another button labeled Historical Operation Records. By clicking this button, you will be provided with a list of any faults that are stored in the battery's memory. By hitting the back arrow at the top left of the screen, you will be brought back to the main operating screen. Now, we will click the gear icon at the top right of the screen, and this will open all the other diagnostic information. The main button on this screen is the BMS version update button. By clicking this button, the battery will report its firmware version available to the app. The app will tell you whether a BMS version update is needed for your battery or if it's already up to date. We have a separate video that will walk you through the steps to perform the battery update if your battery needs one. But for right now, I just want to show you a brief overview of what's available in the app. Updates will become available occasionally to add new features and fix any issues that are found within the battery. One feature that is shortly on its way is the ability to register your battery to you. This will ensure your battery warranty is carried out correctly for you throughout the life of your battery. To exit the app, at any time, you can click the gear icon again and click the Exit App button at the very bottom. Then click Yes to be taken from the app. So guys, hopefully we've given you a brief overview on how to download the app to your device, whether you have an Android or an iPhone. You will now know how to use it and how to connect to your battery. You will also be able to pull up the helpful information that's contained within the app. And like I said before, we will be including videos that will show you all types of things that you can do with the app and connect it to your battery. So, from Star EV Tech Support, we'll let you guys get back to your day. Thank you so much.